We will do this problem using method 1 as well. We will line up our whole parts and our fraction parts in this subtraction problem. Notice our denominators are the same, so we will subtract our numerators, 1 minus 3. But we can't do this. We can't take 3 from 1, so what we need to do is we need to borrow from our whole number. We will borrow 1 from the 7, making that a 6, and the 1 that we borrowed we will put with the fraction part. We will now change this 1 1/4 to an improper fraction, the whole number times the denominator plus the numerator. 1 times 4 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So we rewrite this as an improper fraction. Our whole number is now a 6, and we write the rest of the problem down. Now we are able to subtract. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, and we keep our denominator 4. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So now we have a fraction that can be simplified further, so we need to divide by the greatest common factor. The greatest common factor for these two even numbers is 2. So we'll divide the numerator and the denominator by 2. So we end up with 4 and 1/2. So let's review. We had common denominators, so we wanted to subtract the numerators. We saw that we could not subtract 1 minus 3, so we needed to borrow from the whole number. We borrowed 1 from the 7 and made that a 6. The 1 that we borrowed we wrote as a whole number next to the fraction part. Then we took this mixed number and made it into an improper fraction. Then we were able to subtract the numerators of the fraction parts. Before we said we were finished, we needed to check the fraction to make sure that it was completely simplified. We saw that we could divide out of 2, so we did that before we said our final answer.